Sup, people? Today is the day. Okay, I forgot to do an unboxing of this thing here. But it's a pretty cool set. I highly recommend the set if you want to get it. It's right now on Amazon for $23. Toys R Us for $24. I highly recommend this set. Yeah, and it kind of goes well with what I'm about to unbox. I am so hyped for this, okay? Whew. Whoa! This is a huge box. First of all, this is the largest Lego set I've ever gotten before. Might as well say. First Lego box. Isn't that amazing? This first box this big. Let's get rid of this Amazon box. $80, not $100, which is great. It was on sale, so I have this now. I am really hyped for this. This is gonna be awesome. Look at it. Just look at it, okay? Yeah. So it has the mini first collection is one of the great things about this set. As we got Lloyd, Jungle Garmadon, of course. Jungle Garmadon. Okay. We got Kai, and you probably know all the names. Yeah, if you have anything into Lego, but yeah, this is the largest ever Lego set I've ever gotten. I think the second largest is the Lamborghini. Is it a Gallardo? Murcielago? I think it was a Gallardo or Murcielago. Yeah, but that's not a gigantic set. I believe that it's not that big compared. Let me just. It's not as big. It's a very nice set. Let's see. It was a Gallardo. And it had 741 pieces. This has almost double that. Yeah, it's massive. So let's look at the contents real fast. After I look at the other sides of the boxes, I really like deco for the Lego Ninjago movie. I think it looks great. The Lego Ninjago movie logo is cool, I think. There's great deco all around. We get our play features. We got our fallen boulders attacking various things. I watched the Jang Bricks video, so I know all about it. What's this popcorn? Seriously, is this popcorn? What is that? Gold? What the heck? That's not actually what they found in that. Okay. Now, what am I supposed to use to cut the seals? How about I just be very careful? Let's be very careful not to destroy this box. Okay, then let's look at the contents. Whoa! Okay. Well then, this is kind of interesting. I've never gotten a instruction booklet like this in a bag. That's never happened to me. Let's see, we got. I think this is the. Let's see. That's what I think it is. No, it's just a random part of the build. That is nothing interesting. More random parts of the build. Let's see, I'm trying to find something interesting. This one has coal in it, and this one has a skeleton, I believe, in it. Yeah, this one has a skeleton in it, so I want that. That's cool. And we got. I don't have any proper skeletons yet. I have two skeletons, but I don't have any proper skeletons. Okay, we got coal in here. We got. Let's see if there's any minifigures in here. I don't think so. This one, we got the statue in here. That's a cool one. The Vermilion statue. We got Vayne in here. This one. Let's see. This one's actually pretty cool. It has this is like the bone booby trap. So the cage. Oh, this one also has Jay in it. Let's see. Oh, this is the front deco area sort of thing. This is sort of bits of the top deco. And then we got one of the monsters. Or, not monsters, but one of the little dudes. We got Lloyd and Garmadon in here, and anybody else? And Kai. Let's see. And we got... Let me see. Nope, I don't think anybody else in there. Okay. And then you gotta have Naya in one of these. This is like kind of the base of it. And is this Naya? Where the heck is Naya? Did I miss Naya? Where are you, Naya? You're one of my favorite ones. Because the minifigures one. Not my favorite character in the movie, but one of my favorite one of these has it, you know. This one's Jay and Zane. Is Naya also in here? Aha! Naya! There we go. So, I'm really hyped up to build this set. It looks gigantic. It looks massive. I honestly cannot wait, okay? This is... Whew! This is exciting. I'm gonna have to build it after 11. Right now it's 9:26 p.m. Build it at 11. I've got some more YouTube stuff to do, including editing this video. So, hope you have a good day, everyone. I got this as a present, sort of. I got some money as a present, and so I decided to buy this gigantic thing and some Ninjago collectible minifigures. But yeah, I'm really hyped for this. Hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe, like, whatnot. There's probably not any other unboxings of this. There's probably tons of reviews, but not any other unboxings. I could be horribly wrong, but anyway, have a good night or morning, whatever, afternoon.